Hi, I'm Jeff, and you are watching the C6 Corvette channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood seal on your C5 Corvette. Now, the hood seal on the C5 Corvette are the rubber strips that run along the fenders of the passenger and driver side of the car, and they start at the top of the headlight and they run to the base of the windshield. These two seals, along with the rubber seal that runs along the front of the cowl, were designed by GM to keep dirt and moisture out of your engine bay. Now, this is a GM part. I'll show you the number, not to be confused with the performance hood seal mod that's been done in recent years that places a rubber strip along the back edge of the bumper, sealing the hood from moisture that would get to your aftermarket air cleaner. Now, I had to change my hood seal because the upper third of it on the driver's side fender had fallen off of the fender and it wasn't sealing the hood properly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your hood seal right now. Okay, the items that we're going to need to complete today's task are the 97 to 2013 hood / hatch defender weather strip, and it comes as a set of two. That's the extra one that we have here. Some microfiber towels to wipe some things up. As always, gloves so we can keep our hands safe. We need some plastic mini scrapers, plastic razor blades with the scraper so we can get off all the residue. Some painter's tape to put along the side of the fender well, as we don't want to get product where it doesn't belong. A can of Goof Off Pro Strength Remover, and as you can see here, it removes dried latex paint, adhesive and glue, which is what we're going after today, and asphalt and tar. So then we also, before we reapply, we need some rubbing alcohol. Okay, I took the liberty of putting down some painter's tape onto the fender so that we can make sure that we don't get any unwanted product on the fender of our car and the paint of our car. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this weather strip is the proper weather strip and measure it against what's on the car. Yes, it is. What we're going to do, I'm going to use this plastic scraper, and I'm just going to remove the old stripping so that we can see how much material we have to remove. And as you can see, it's coming right off in my hand. So this was, even if I had redone this and taped it, it would have come up, the bottom would have come up. So it's good that we're replacing the whole thing. Now what we're going to do is we have the microfiber towels. We're going to take some of this product, put it on the microfiber towel, rub it on the remaining weather stripping that's left over and adhesive, and then we're going to scrape it with the scraper. You can already see it's picking up the residue. And see that? I slipped in this and hit the fender, but thank God I had the masking tape on there. As you can see, this is all clean. So the next step is to take our alcohol, microfiber towel, spray this edge and get it nice and clean, and then we'll be ready to install the hood seal. Because we're going to look at the hood strip that's hasn't come off the car and see where on this fender it has to be aligned and mounted, and then we'll line it up and we'll take our time and install it. Okay, as we can see here, there's a small gap between the top of the hood seal and the top of the fender. So what I'm going to do is get a ruler and measure that. Okay, we're losing light here, but what I want to show you is I put the tape along various points at the ends, the middle, and other points along here. So we'll just use that as a guide for the new weather strip. Okay, we're done. I've removed the guide strips. And as you can see, I installed it. There's a gap that runs along. And everything looks good. All the way down to the end. So we're gonna let this set overnight. As you can see, replacing the hood seal on your C5 Corvette is a very easy DIY repair. And now we'd like to hear from you. Tell us about your experiences replacing the hood seal on your C5 Corvette. And if you want more informative videos like this one, click the links in the end screen. I'm Jeff. Thanks for watching the NYC Corvette channel, and I will see you running the streets.